this is on. Hey guys, it is PabloDabrat, and I'm trying to fix this. Let's get at it. Okay. Okay. Winter Wonderland collection. Jade. Cute. I was allowed small brat dolls, and I think it was one of the dolls from this series, but in the mini version, in the small brats version, you know. I was only allowed that, so that's why I buy brats now, because I can. When I can. They're expensive. But how you guys doing? Let me know in the comment section below. I cannot get the actual reproduction versions now of Bratz. Pretty and Punk. Yes. It is the next morning because my phone died. And that was pretty annoying. And I had to delete hella shit. This is a big box. I think this is the holiday box. Damn. This box is huge. And it is a holiday box. And her name is Trinity. Oh my gosh. I love this box. But I still feel like MJ should have put the dolls in the boxes. And I am sort of kind of rushing because my roommate is outside and he's smoking a fig, which is gross. But then also, I don't know how much space I have left on my phone. Some days on the runway, you just wanna run away. I'm gonna just open all of them. Let's just do two for now. Okay, what's this? It has to be a cosmetic of some sort. Mascara. We do not have a mascara yet. I'll open that in a minute. Ooh, what is this? It's another makeup. I think I already have this one though. Yeah, I already have the Sasha one, but this is the only makeup that I have, so that's fine. I'll open this in a minute too. Let's just try and finish it. Come on now. Dolly doll. Sasha, I don't know what Sasha this is. But she's super cute. Yes, I do have RuPaul's Drag Race fashion photo review on in the background. Because it's my comfort, like waking up music. Just gotta wake up in a gay way. This is Yasmin's box. And also there's Yasmin's 20th box as well. Matchy matchy. And that's also 20th Yasmin right there, repro'd. Like I said, the box is behind her. She's just hybrided on an LOL body. Ooh, there is a couple in here. What? There's two in there. Oh, was that the one in there that fell down? Do you think that's what happened? I hope that's what happened.
I hope that there's a some sort. Some days on the runway.
Oh my god, I feel like they got so many things. Yes, Yasmin's palette. Like I said, I have to wake up in a gay way. And this is gay. Ooh, Chloe's 20th box. Cute, cute. What's this one? Ooh, Pretty and Punk Chloe. Okay, yeah, like I said, I cannot wait to get the repro versions of them now. And now I have a mini version of them. Okay, let's go. Makeup palette. Let's go. Repro versions. So cute. So cute. Okay, last one, I think. Winter Wonderland, Yasmin. Like I said in the previous video, I was allowed mini brats, but big male brats, not the big female brats. Female brats. And I can't remember which winter doll I got, because I would like to find them and rebuy them, but I don't remember. And there's a couple Winterland lines, and I have to find that in the mini version, and then try and remember the accessories, and then hopefully that'll match the doll. I'm still not over this Holiday Trinity box. Like, I cannot wait to put her in this now because she looks so cute. And like I said, guys, I reported this one damaged because it had missing items, and they sent me a second one, so we'll see if everything else is in here as well. But if so, then I'll have doubles that I can open and whatnot, so one in and one out. And I was thinking I could put like a box on my weed tray, you know, to like hold the weed in, you know, just we'll see. So apparently this is what comes in the box, but clearly somebody took my 20th Yasmin from that. Hey. But yeah, here's everybody that comes in here. So cute. So fetch. There's Stenosha. They're giving, except for Cam right there, or Dylan, whoever the fuck they're trying to pass off. Yes. Stuncholinas. Stenosha. In the words of Gia Gunn, stun.